This is the humble curry puff, one of the most iconic snacks in Singapore and Malaysia.
It's usually a savouring filling wrapped in a buttery pastry dough.
And here's how we make it completely from scratch. To start, we're going to be making our dough. So what makes our dough special?
So ours is more like a buttery kind compared to others like...
For me personally, I feel that the dough recipe is something that sets different curry puff shops apart because everybody have their own recipe. So for our recipe, we kind of cater it towards our own preferences and taste bud, which is something on the more buttery side, a bit sweet. So that's what I feel make our dough special. We'll be mixing in the plantain and butter. This to give you that buttery and very sweet taste to it.
Now I'm actually pouring the water and honey. After we are done with those lining, we'll be pouring it out to make it in a ball. We'll let it rest for 15 minutes and yeah, be right back.
This is our curry puff filling. What you can expect in our curry puff filling would be an aromatic blend of spices mixed into curry potatoes and chicken breast. It's balanced between spiciness and sweetness. Good for everybody, good for family friendly, and good for me also.
So now we have our dough and filling. We are ready to wrap.
When I tell people in school that I have a hawker store selling curry puff, they're all quite shocked because it's not something that very conventional. But they're all very supportive. They've all visited my stores, go down to gastro beats, and that's something that I really appreciate and I'm very grateful for. Some people assume that it was our parents' store and we were just helping out there. Yeah, we gotta let them know, say, no, it is our store and we are proud of it. Right after NS, my dad will often ask me, hey, you sure you want to go uni? And I say, yeah, I want, why? And he say, sure or not? Come and do hawker lah, come and do food lah. Then I say, okay, see how. And then the see how happened, I guess. I was looking for something, nothing in particular, but when the opportunity came up, then it was too good for me to pass on. I wanted to try something, especially while in school. First off, we have to roll out the dough into small little cube balls, which is around 65 grams. And then we have this roller to flatten it out, give us a surface area to wrap. So once you get this nice little shape, that's where you add in a filling. After you put in the filling, that's where you will add in the quarter egg. You will close it up, seal it, and then you will start the pinching. It takes around 15-20 seconds to do a cream. And then you get this small little cute curry puff.
Meanwhile...
3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, what are you? A second, I
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Our curry puffs are a labor of love and it's a very manual job. Just like a lot of other hawker centres. You can see the uncle and aunties, maybe they'll be starting work at 3-4 a.m. just to do the prep work. Gotta give respect to them for being able to do this for years and decades. What I hope for the future of this hawker culture would be that more young folks will enter it. Most of the hawkers right now are already in their late 50s, 60s, 70s. And it's not going to be long before they want to retire and just have a more relaxed life. And when that happens, if there's nobody to take over their store, it will eventually die out. So just do it.
Okay, so the puff is done.
And we are ready to serve.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Can taste the chicken.
Also can taste the chicken. To us, it's like a labor of love. It's something that we take pride in because it's all handmade. So for that reason, I hope that you guys enjoy it as much as we do enjoy it. Find out more about us and our locations on our Instagram, WhatThePuffSG. Thank you.